Hey everyone, I'm Grace. Today we're going to be brewing a coffee with the Clever Dripper. The Clever Dripper is a cool piece of kit that allows you to brew directly onto the scale and then has a catch which releases when you put it on top of a cup. Today what you'll need is some coffee, 15 grams coffee, some filters, 250 grams of hot water, and that's it. To begin, we need to fold our filter once at the sides and once at the bottom. This is so that it fits nicely into the Clever Dripper. We need to wet our filter paper to remove any papery taste that may come with the filter. Once you've done that, place it on top of your mug to heat up your mug. We do this so that your coffee stays at temperature for longer. We're going to start by adding 250 grams of water into the Clever Dripper. And then adding our coffee that's been ground medium coarse. Start the timer. Stir the coffee so that it's fully saturated. And then we're going to leave it to brew till the timer reaches 1 minute 45 seconds. I really like the Clever Dripper because it provides the body of a full immersion coffee, but the clarity of a V60 in one easy brewer. We're brewing with the Estate coffee today, which is a lovely chocolatey coffee. But if you're after something a little bit funkier, you could try one of our single origins or the Fields coffee. Once our timer reaches 1 minute 45, we're going to stir the coffee once more. This will allow the grounds that have risen to the surface to float to the bottom, which will make it easier for the coffee to filter through. I really like putting the water in first because it allows the coffee to be fully saturated and allows us to make sure that we have a really consistent, even brew. Great, now we're coming up to 1 minute 45. We're just going to stir the coffee once or twice to allow the grounds to float to the bottom. Now, when it reaches 2 minutes, we're going to pop the Clever Dripper onto our mug and allow the coffee to drip through. This should take us to about 2 minutes 30 before the coffee is ready to drink. And it should provide you a very nice, sweet but clear and full-bodied coffee. Great. Lovely, and enjoy.